Hello, I'm Professor Hari Srikumar. I teach marketing courses at IIM Trichy. I teach in the first year as well as in the second year. So let me welcome all of you to the new batch to IIM Trichy. Right now, times are uncertain, so you might not immediately come to the campus, but let us hope that you will in the very near future be able to come over here. We have a very good team of faculty members, we have good infrastructure, we have good support systems, and I'm very sure that you will be able to do a very good program here and make the most out of it. I also hope that the non-professional personal front you're all doing well. So welcome once again to all of you, and the best wishes for your upcoming journey. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. So this is Professor Saranan. I belong to finance and accounting area. So apart from teaching you accounting course, I am also the chairperson of student affairs. So I am responsible for all your well-being. Apart from academics, whatever the non-academic well-being, I am the person who is responsible, including your hostel and other related aspects. So I welcome you all to the wonderful journey at IIM Tiruchirappalli campus, and welcome you all to the IIM family. I'm looking forward to have a nice time with you all. All the very best.
Hello, class of 2023. Welcome to IIM Trichy. I am Manigandan, a faculty in the strategy area. First of all, congratulations for choosing IIM Trichy to get your MBA. I assure you that we will do our best to make your 2 years here fun, memorable, and of course, very rigorous learning experience. While we meet over Zoom and these videos initially, I'm pretty sure that in the next 2 years, we will open up and you'll get to enjoy a large, serene campus and modern classrooms. Personally, I am raring to go back to classrooms to teach, and I hope I get a chance to do that with your batch. Whenever I meet a new batch of students in the first week, I ask them something, and I'm going to ask the same thing with you. I want you to remember the moment, the day when you got your offer to IIM Trichy, when your cherished dream of getting an MBA from IIM came true. Recall that moment. Recall the feelings that you had. Recall the dreams, the hopes, and the aspirations, and all the things that you're planned for to do when you get into an MBA program of an IIM. I want you to take a piece of paper and note all these down. Very often, we value something very dearly, and when we get it, we take it for granted. I hope that does not happen with you. I want you to go back to the sheet of paper every now and then during your next 2 years here at IIM Trichy to remind yourself what you're for, what you're going to make the best out of the 2 years here. I hope you do that, and we will endeavor to provide our best to help you achieve your dreams and hopes here. See you also. Thank you.
Hi all. So really happy and excited to welcome the new batch of PGPM and PGPM HR students. No doubt these are challenging times, but I think by now many of us have learned to live along with this so-called corona. So let the spirit not go down. Let us all make an effort to make these challenging times a bit more interesting times, bit of learning times, and definitely some fun time. So we are all here to support you in all possible ways. So welcome. I look forward to interacting with you all, and let's pray that we meet each other on the campus soon.
Hello everyone, I'm Sirish. I'm a faculty in the Operations Management and Decision Sciences area. Welcome you all to IIM Trichy. May the force be with you.
Hello students, I welcome all the students of PGP 21-23 batch and PGPM HR 21-23 batch to IIM Trichy. Gives me great pleasure to welcome all of you. You are joining the program at your, what I would say, at your cusp of an opportunity, because with COVID happening, things like that, exciting new business models are emerging. complete digitalization of various businesses are happening. Industry 4.0, as it is called, is right in front of our eyes. It is like unfolding in front of our eyes. So probably this is a very good time for a lot of you to pursue full-time education, and exciting career opportunities await you at the end of your 2-year course. So make the max out of it. So I welcome all of you to the program and to IIM Trichy. Looking forward to seeing you physically here in the campus very soon. Take care. All the very best.
Hello everyone, this is Professor Alok Kumar Singh. I am from the Operations and Decision Sciences area at IIM Trichy. I am Chairperson Postgraduate Program also. First of all, I'd like to congratulate you all for your success. You're making it to IIM Trichy, and I hope your decision of selecting IIM Trichy for your 2-year MBA program will actually add value to you, and in fact it will help you in carving your future plans, future dreams. From my end, I'd like to ensure you that we'll make it your experience at IIM Trichy exciting, and you will enjoy your stay with us for the next 2 years. Few words of advices. Get ready for the action-packed days and nights, both academic as well as the co-curricular activities. The second one is be wholeheartedly with the program. There may be, you should not be having a kind of notion that I have achieved this, I was not able to achieve that, I was not able to get that. Wherever you are into, you give your 200%. Try to mingle with people, try to create your network, try to interact with your colleagues, your faculty members, your staff at IIM Trichy. This will help you in getting your journey more smoothly. Thank you so much, and once again I welcome you all to IIM Trichy. All the best.